This is an example of how I would support introducing like and don't like or demonstrating preference informally for a student curriculum goals and their overall communication. This would be an example for a student who might use eye gaze as their main way of accessing the world and communicating, a student with limited mobility. It might also be a student who has some level of vision impairment, but demonstrates a clear preference informally during class sessions towards certain things, such as really liking bright lights, liking shiny things like that. This is just a more formal way of documenting their ability to communicate a preference. So similar to the last example, I'd have two very contrasting items. So I've got a black matte shape, and then obviously something very shiny, particularly using the torch for our students with low vision or CBI is going to be really important. So you might present both. If a student is able to attend to multiple items at once, you'd have them within a student's eye line, but separate enough that you can tell a preference. You're sitting across from them. You might show them, first we're going to look at this one. This one's really shiny. You can let them feel it if that is accessible for them. One particular makes sound, whereas this one doesn't really. And then you'd show them the other item and maybe ask, what do you want to spend more time looking at? You might offer that as a choice. If the student then seems to be looking more at the other, you can take that as they're making a choice and you're saying, oh, you like this one, we want more of this one. And then removing the other item and spending more time looking at this item and doing some explicit modeling around. Oh, I can see you really like this. You keep looking at it. We're looking at it together. I really like it as well. It's nice and shiny. Modeling all of the extra vocabulary around it as well.